Hi, I'm Eshaan. We are Team 49 and our Capstone project is Deep Learning Based Motor Intention Decoder. Developing LSTM and LSTM architecture has been my primary contribution in this project.
Hi, I'm Palkaran. I contributed in developing CNN model for the project.
Hi, I am Ayush. I had taken up developing the BioLSTM deep learning architecture for the project.
Hi, I am Sparsh, and I worked on developing the RNN with attention architecture.
Hi, I'm Utkarsh. My responsibilities included developing the RNN deep learning architecture. Now, let's move into the depth of the project.
There has been extensive research on motor intention decoders and the corresponding brain computer interfaces, but no detailed comparative study depicting the performance of deep learning techniques on a grasp and lift dataset exists so far. By bringing out the best possible model for classification of the standard GAL dataset, we hope to clear the skepticism surrounding the performance of various deep learning techniques. Key objectives of our project include combining pre-processing and end-to-end detection steps, eliminating the requirement of handcrafted feature engineering for identifying 6 different GAL events, and a comparative study for depicting the performance of deep learning techniques on a grasp and lift dataset. The diagram depicts a concise flow of the project. The utilized WAY EEG GAL dataset is intended to decode sensation, intention, and action from scalp EEG signals. In pre-processing, Butterworth and discrete wavelet transform filters were used to remove various artifacts. The denoise EEG signals were then processed for automatic GAL event detection. Further, we have employed different deep learning models for comparative analysis. The dataset has readings taken from 12 different subjects where the grasping and lifting object's weight, surface friction, or both were modified unpredictably. The dataset contains 32 channels EEG signal having 6 different events. All events are depicted for better understanding. These are the results of the pre-processing steps involved in the dataset. The CNN uses filters within convolutional layers to transform input data, which is better for spatial information processing, while the LSTM reuse activation function from other data points in the sequence to generate the following output in a series that is more suitable for temporal information processing. The combination of convolution with ReLU activation function and batch normalization layers learn discriminating features from the input EEG signals. Then, the fully connected layers classify those learned features into GAL event categories. On the other hand, the proposed LSTM based model is composed of LSTM cells and dropout layers, which are repeated 4 times in a cascaded fashion. Finally, the fully connected layer with 6 neurons classifies the target GAL events. Similarly, based on intuition for temporal information processing, we have worked on sequential models like RNN and LSTM and their derivatives. Now we will move on to the outputs and results. We have taken training validation accuracies, training validation losses, and comparing the AUC of 6 different events for all the models as parameters of evaluation for the project. It was demonstrated that LSTM with attention showed the best results among all the deep learning architectures. The reason behind this is that it can capture long range dependency better as compared to RNN and CNN by making use of the memory cell in its structure. At the same time, the attention mechanism is able to improve performance of the decoder encoder model by permitting the decoder to utilize the most relevant parts of the input sequential data in a flexible manner.